To remove a song from an Instagram post, start by opening the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device and navigating to the post containing the song. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Scroll down and select Partnership Label and Ads. Then choose Add Paid Partnership Label and tap Done. This will take you back to the post, and the song will be removed, including the audio icon at the bottom right corner. If the Partnership Label and Ads option is not available, follow these steps to enable it. Tap the three lines in the top right of Instagram. Go to Settings and Privacy, and scroll down to select Account Type and Tools. Next, choose Branded Content, then set up Branded Content Tools, and enable the option. Once this is activated, return to the post with the song. Tap the three dots. Access Partnership Label and Ads, enable it, and the song will be removed.